It's in the open, but it's still a secret. Hi everyone, my name is Arkan, and welcome to my secret garden. When we talk about sinigang, the best leaf ingredient for Filipinos is kangkong.
Kangkong!
And we have it right here in our secret garden.
Himayin ang kangkong!
We also put talbos ng kamote and other leaves, but for me the best still is kangkong. Here in Brazil, we call sinigang. What we put is espinafre. So what is available in the market is also a leaf, vegetable. We don't find any kangkong here, at least in our place. But luckily, there is a place called Liberdade, Japão Liberdade. There you can buy Asian food ingredients. Balat ng lumpia, patis, and there you can find kangkong. And since I want to have my own kangkong here in my secret garden, I want to grow it on my own. There started my kangkong journey. I tried a lot of ways to grow it. The first attempt was a failure. I put them in a casserole of water for them to grow roots. The leaves turned yellow. I don't know if it is because of lack of sunlight. I tried to expose them on the windowsill, but eventually they died.
Napakaingay yung dalawa.
The first thing in my mind is, what kind of kangkong is this? Because as far as I know, there are two types of kangkong. There is a land kangkong, upland kangkong, as I see on the internet, and the Ipumea aquatica force, or water kangkong, or aquatic one. Right now, I am not sure if what I am growing here is an upland kangkong or aquatic one. After seeing that they died when I put them on water, I tried to put them on land, of course. I planted them on the soil. I took a crate, I bought soil online, I planted all the rooted stalks. It looked beautiful for me, and guess what happened? Ta-da! That's life. I didn't give up. So we bought another bundle of kangkong. Gusto kasama sa video? Sige, sama. This is Luna, and she is one of the major suspects in destroying my garden. Balik na! Tapos na exposure. Tapos na. Mamaya na ulit. And this one is Baymax, the primary suspect of all. This is our first ever baby who destroyed our garden. But we love him. Kahit mabaho siya. Sige na, balik na. Magharutan na kayo ulit. Hindi na ako nakatapos dito mag-record. So we bought another bundle of kangkong. I tried everything. And after many tries, many died. But some stalks made it. The kangkongs that I have right here are the ones who survived. I was able to harvest, thanks be to God. The leaves made it to the dining table. And this prompted me to grow more. Have a glimpse of the transplant I made for the recent batch of kangkong stems. Sit back and relax. So there you go, my kangkong story. I have no idea whatsoever how to really grow kangkong the correct way. If you have comments, for sure you have, please help me. Let me know on the comment section. I hope to see you next time. Thank you for visiting me in my secret garden. And these 5 kangkongs that I have here are the ones husay talaga yung dalawa. Ang husay nyo talagang dalawa.